In this video I will show you how to create multiple methoded same class. I hope that you are following all the parts of this series. If you missed any, then check the I button. At first create a class. I hope that you know the user-defined methods. No problem, I will show it again here. I will create methods to calculate area of different things. Delete the sample script and declare class. Let's take the name area. At first we will create a method that will calculate the area of square. We will take input the value of height and breadth from the user inside the parameters. For that, declare a variable inside the parameters. We can take as many as we want, but for square we need only 2 variables. Let's assume that we have taken the input from the user, so now we have to find the area. Area of square is height multiply with breadth, so we need a variable to store the calculated value. Now print the area of square with a message. After the first method, create a second method which will find the area of circle. Do the same as before. For circle we need the radius to calculate the area, so take the radius from the user as shown in the previous method. After taking the radius we need to calculate the area. The formula for the area of circle is pi r square, r effort to radius. Now print the value with proper message. In the third method we will find the area of triangle. First take input base and height. Now we need to calculate the area of triangle and store it in a variable. The formula for the area of triangle is half into base into height. Now print the area with proper message. You can see that I have taken same name for finding area because in different methods we can take same variable name, but not in the same method. You can see that we cannot run this program with our object because they are not in static context. We have to create object to access them. Now inside the created object we can see our methods. Let's run the circle method. We have to enter the radius. It will be stored in the parameter variable. As the method run it printed the area in the terminal window. Let's check out the another methods. For square, first enter the height and breadth. Let's be the height 10 and breadth 5. 5 into 10 will result to 50. Let's check out the triangle method. Enter base and height. As the method printed the area is perfect. Let me show you how to avoid objects. Using static context in every method, object creation is not necessary for them. After using static, we can access any method easily. What if I want to control all the method from a single method? For that we need to use the main method and declare util package and scanner class. At first remove all the static context, we don't need them anymore. Now create the method main. For declaring scanner class first install the util package. Now the scanner class with system.in. I hope you remember the switch case. We need to create 3 choices for the user for selecting methods. 1, 2, and 3 for square. circle and triangle respectively. Now take input the choice in a variable. We need to create an object to access the above functions. For creating object, first use the class name, then type the object name. I will use the word object, and then the new keyword, and then again the class name, as shown in the video. Create switch case statement. Declare the case 1. The case 1 is for square method. At first we need to take two inputs for height and breadth. Print a message, and take two inputs and store it in two variables. Now we need to call the above methods. For that, install the object name with the method name, and pass the two values to the parameters as shown in the video. The name of the method must be same even case matters. Now pass the height and breadth variable into the parameters. Maintain the form as used in the method. Change in position cause the result to be changed. Now use the break statement, and continue the same with other cases. Now we need to install the default case. From the main method we can access the above methods. Compile and close. Let's test run the program. Let's check each number from the menu. For square we need to enter length and breadth. You can see that we have successfully accessed the method, because this print statement is inside the square method only. Let's check the other two methods. For circle we have to choose two. At first enter the radius. For triangle enter 3. Enter the base and the height. We have a default statement which get activate when we enter number which is not present in the menu. But if we want to access the methods without the main method, right click the class and select the first option. It will create another object. We can access the methods separately from this object. In the next video I will show how to use different method for same work. If you liked this video please subscribe.